Hello, I just want to show you a couple of tools that I would like for you to take advantage of in my Ozarka. So if you will click Tools, and then right down here you'll see your information and you'll see Campus SMS Alerts. If you'll click that, you need to sign up. So you'll put in your information, and when you do, go ahead and at least please click Instructor Alerts here, and then click Update. So what's going to happen is I believe the system will send you a text of some sort and get you going. And so what happens with this is that you guys will be you will get alerts on your cell phone. You'll get emergency alerts when the campus closes, but you will also get alerts when I have posted an announcement to the class. So please do me a favor and sign up for Campus SMS Alerts here. Another tool I want to point out to you is that if you do not have Microsoft Office, you can download it free here on your computer. If you have any issues that you run into with this, you can contact the help desk at 870-368-2021. They can help you get going if you have trouble, but at least that is there available for you, since we do use and require Microsoft Word for your documents. Okay, so keep those in mind. Tool tabs, Campus SMS Alerts, and also free Microsoft Office. Thanks a lot.